Hello creative kids, welcome back. In this festive tutorial, join us as we draw an adorable little mouse snuggled up in Santa's hat, dreaming of Christmas treats. Perfect for kids of all ages, this step-by-step guide will inspire creativity and enhance your drawing skills. Today, I have a present for you. Stay on, as I will share with you a story about the character we are drawing. Let me share with you a little story. Once upon a time, in a cozy little workshop at the North Pole, a tiny mouse named Momo snuggled into Santa's big red hat. The hat was soft and warm, perfect for a chilly winter night. As Momo closed his eyes, he dreamed of sparkling snowflakes, twinkling lights, and the joyful laughter of children waiting for Christmas morning. In his dream, he danced alongside candy canes and played hide-and-seek with gingerbread men. Suddenly, he woke up to a gentle rustling. It was Santa, looking down with a twinkle in his eye. "Everything is merry, little friend," he chuckled. "Would you like to help me with Christmas?" Momo's heart raced with excitement as he hopped out of the hat, ready for a sleigh full of fun. Together, they spread joy and cheer, making this Christmas the sweetest of all. And from that day on, Momo always had a special place in Santa's hat, dreaming of Christmas adventures. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.